curious. If you want to raise chickens but you're feeling confused about which breed to start with, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll share the top 5 chicken breeds for beginners in 2025. They're easy to raise, lay lots of eggs, and are perfect for small backyards or even homesteads. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, you all are welcome to my channel, where we talk everything about chickens, from choosing the right breed to healthcare, feeding tips, and everything in between. No matter where you live, the US, UK, Canada, Australia, or anywhere else. If you're just starting with chickens, these breeds will make your life easier and more fun. Let's meet the top 5 beginner-friendly chickens that are not only gentle and easy to care for, but also great egg producers. At number 5, we have the adorable Silky. This breed is known for its super fluffy feathers. They almost look like tiny feather balls. Silkies are calm, friendly, and love being around people, which makes them perfect if you have children or want chickens as pets. They lay about 3 small eggs per week, so they're not the best layers, but their sweet nature more than makes up for it. Just one thing to remember, their feathers are not waterproof, so they need a dry and warm space, especially in rainy or cold areas. At number 4, it's the Isa Brown. This breed is super popular with beginners, and for a good reason. Isa Browns are very gentle, easy to handle, and love human attention. But the best part, they lay a lot of eggs. Over 300 large brown eggs a year. If you're mainly getting chickens for eggs, this is a fantastic choice. They do well in different weather, are low maintenance, and get along well with other chickens. Coming in at number 3 is the Plymouth Rock. You'll spot them easily. They have a beautiful black and white striped pattern, often called barred feathers. These birds are known to be friendly, curious, and easy to manage. They lay about 4 to 5 eggs per week, around 250 per year, and can handle both cold winters and hot summers well. Plymouth Rocks are a great mix of looks, personality, and egg laying, which makes them a solid pick for beginners. Number 2 is the lovely oustrolorp. This breed comes from Australia and is known around the world for its egg-laying abilities. In fact, one oustrolorp holds the world record, 364 eggs in 365 days. They're calm, quiet, and don't mind being picked up. Their black feathers shine green in the sunlight, which makes them stand out in any flock. If you're looking for a beautiful, hardworking, and peaceful chicken, the oustrolorp is the way to go. And finally, at number 1, the famous Rhode Island Red. This breed is often called the all-rounder of the chicken world. They're strong, easy to care for, and can lay around 250 to 300 brown eggs a year. They do great in most climates and can handle cold and heat better than many other breeds. Rhode Island Reds are independent and a little sassy, but they're also smart and hardy, which makes them perfect for first-time chicken owners. So, let's recap your new dream team. 5, Silky, the cuddly fluff ball. 4, Isa Brown, the egg-laying machine. 3, Plymouth Rock, the steady all-rounder. 2, oustrolorp, the record-breaking superstar. 1, Rhode Island Red, the unbeatable champ. Now, I want to hear from you. Which breed are you leaning toward? Or if you already have chickens, drop a comment below telling me about your flock. I read every single one. And if this video helped you out, do me a favor. Hit like so I know you enjoyed it. Subscribe and ring the bell for more chicken wisdom. Share with a friend who's chicken curious. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And remember, every expert chicken keeper started exactly where you are now. You've got this. Happy chicken keeping, and I'll see you in the next video.